Hey guys, look what just rolled in. The 1PLUS S10. And I was sitting here on the computer and the housekeeper, she sent me a text. She goes, "Brian, there's a bike down here for you." And I went, "What? I'm not expecting anything, you know." So I got down there and I looked at it. I said, "Oh, that's a scooter. That's not a bike." So yeah, look at that. Wow. I haven't had a scooter in a while. Let's check it out. Get the razor blade going here. The box actually seems pretty light, so I'm not expecting it to be that big or anything. I'm sure, as with most scooters, there won't be hardly any assembly except for the handlebars. And you can see that's the case. You just flip the stem up and set that up there. And there's, like, you can see right here, there's 2 holes for the screws. So yeah, alright, so let's get it out of the box. Okay, here it is out of the box, and I turned the power on. It's fully charged. It looks like 5 bars there. Yeah, it's fully charged. There's your hook for when you fold it over. Here's your brake. It's got 1 brake. Yep, a rear brake right there, along with a brake light, which is always pretty cool. It has a headlight here. Let me take the sticker off. And to turn on the headlight, I guess maybe you just like fast click that. There's 2nd speed, 3 speed. How about double click? And there you go. Double click for the headlight. Okay. I'll turn the headlight back off. There's your throttle. Nice thumb throttle, which are my favorite. See if I can get the plastic off there. Yeah, it looks very, very well built. Feels like that the Go Tracks, you know, feels like one of them. The grips are great. Okay, it's got them real nice grips on there. Now I don't have the screws in there yet, but they go right there. So now I will say the deck is kind of skinny, which I'm not a fan of, but you know, it is what it is. I think it's a cheap scooter. It has a 350 watt motor. I think it's in, actually it is. It's in the front right there. It's in the front, so it's got the front wheel drive like the Highboy. And it's got solid tires, but they're not honeycombed. So they must be foam filled or something. Something like that. So I'll be able to see what kind of ride that gives you. So yeah, and then there's an app. You know, the old app deal. There's I think this is the thing right here where where the charger goes. And then it has some specs down there at the bottom. 220 pounds, 7.8 amp hour battery. So figure a scooter this light, 7 amp hour. Probably like 15 miles or something. It's probably going to be your range, maybe 12, 15. So yeah, but you know, we'll find out. We'll figure it out. Okay, and here's the instruction manual. And here's the power supply. And then what we'll do is, when I take it out to ride it here in a couple of minutes, we'll fire up the app when I get out there. Alright guys, there you go. The 1PLUS S10. It seems like a nice little, you know, nice little scooter. So, okay, let's go ride it. Alright guys, we're out here with the 1PLUS S10. Let me check the weather because it's cold. Oh, 33, yeah. So you know that's cold, right? Yeah. Anyway, I told you I was going to show you how to set up the app. The Bluetooth's flashing. All you do is you just download the app, which is called this 1PLUS S10. Right there it is. And you just make sure your Bluetooth's on your phone, and automatically the Bluetooth will be on here. So then it's going to start looking around. It'll say search results. Click on that. Just put OK. And here it goes right here. It'll say, well, it already did it. All right, so anyway, the only thing I see on here in these settings is to turn on the automatic cruise control, which for scooters I don't like, but you can lock the wheel on this app. So it does have a wheel lock in case you want to stop at a store. It tells you your battery here, battery tracker. It's at 100% because I just finished charging it. Okay, Fox News, get out of here. And then it'll also, you can kickstart or turn the kickstart on or off. Right now I have it off. So basically that's all that this does. Then just get your status right here. So we're gonna just leave this app running so we can check our miles per hour and all that stuff. And you can turn on your light and everything from here too. Right there's that. So yeah, okay, so it's good stuff. All right, so let's just get our first ride in here. I gotta put my gloves on. Alrighty, so yeah, here we go with the first ride with the Plus. So we're gonna go through these speed progressions. So we're gonna go through the first speed first. Well, you know what? We'll do that up on the, I'm gonna go to the third speed first to get up the hill, okay? And then we'll worry about the other thing when we get up there. Whoa, 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 whoa. These brakes. Wow, very, very touchy. Very good. Who's that? IB and Lenny. Okay, so we're gonna go hit this hill. So right off the bat, I'm gonna tell you that I'm not feeling any creaking in the stem, which is one of my pet peeves about these damn scooters, is that creaking and all of that stuff. Now, it's not taking the hill that great, but you know, it's only a 36 volt deal here with a 7 amp hour battery, so you're not going to get a ton of performance out of it. But we're going to get up on the hill and then try the speeds out and see how that works out. Oh yeah, the ride on this thing is very quiet, and the tires, even though they're you know, no flats, solid tires, it's not bad. The ride's pretty good. I think they're foam filled, to be honest with you, because there's no honeycomb in the design, so I think they're just foam filled. But yeah, it feels nice, and I'm not hearing all that creaking. So far, no creaking, okay? All right, so we made it up the hill. Now we're gonna go try our speeds. Let's try the bell. The bell works great. On the app here, it has your trip speed and all that, or your trip mileage. Okay, so let's go back to the first speed, and then we'll give that a shot. I'm expecting that to be like 10 miles an hour or something. Yep, there it is, 10 miles an hour. All right, well, if you like, it hits 10 miles an hour right on the nose too. Okay, it's like 10.0. So you got 10 miles an hour for speed 1. All right, let me stop it. The brakes, they grab right away, and then there's this fade, so it might need to be a little bit adjusted a little here. Okay, so now we're gonna go up to speed 2. So we're looking at 15.0. Okay. So yes, when you first grab the brake, it just bites real hard and then it fades out. So that's kind of like the way drum brakes work on these scooters. It's kind of common for that, if that condition. Okay, so we got 15 out of speed 2. Let's go put it in speed 3. So when that jumps up in the app for speed 3. So yeah, let's try that out. I'll get 17 so far. 18. It's taking a while to wind up to it. So it says 18. Okay, so it's 10, 18.5, 18.6, 18.9, 19.0. So it's at 19.0 now, if you can see that right there. So yeah. Okay, so you got 10, 15, 19. I don't think it's going to go more than that. That 19.0 was the top speed there. So these brakes on this scooter are going to be like the e-scoot, kind of. You had to kind of pump them. The e-scoot brakes were kind of the same way. But man, it rides nice. This thing rides nice, man. This is a nice scooter here. I can't wait to get it out here for the 5-mile test and the range test. Maybe take it over to the trail and try it out over there. Yeah, it rides nice. So no complaints here so far. Now it'll go up to 19. I'm at 18 something now, but it takes a while to get there. Okay, it's not getting there right away. Like I'm there right now. I just got there from when I started. So it took a couple of blocks to get up to the 19 miles an hour. But like I said, it'll get there. So it's not lying when it tells you it'll go 19 miles an hour. It will do that. Plus, you know, you got that peace of mind. You're not going to get no flat tire, okay? So that's always nice. You just got to watch these brakes. They're extremely touchy right off the bat. So what do we do? 1.4 miles. No, that's good enough for 30 degrees, right? Yeah, the hill climbing, the torque on that was a little slow, but it still made it. Still made the hill. I'll be curious what the range test is. We do the battery. When we do the 5-mile test, we'll see how many bars we lose. I mean, that might eat half of this battery. Oh yeah, guys, this thing's real nice, man. This thing rides great. Wow. I would say this is, you know, it's a little, as far as ride, and a quality feel to it. A little bit better than the Hover one. A little bit better construction. All right, guys. Have a nice day. I'll talk to you later.